Alright, so today we're working on the Miata. So as you know, I went to the junkyard. I bought some stuff for the Miata. I bought the what is it? The brackets for the sway bar. I ordered the link, so that's what I'm waiting for right now. But basically, we're gonna install the sway bar. My old one was rusted and everything, and I had ordered this sway bar for like 3 years ago, and I never installed it until now. But yeah, we're installing this, which is the fuel covers that goes under the what's it called, under the soft top, and then sway bars. That's pretty much it. And also, I'm gonna keep you guys updated for future stuff. So this month is June already, so probably by the end of June I'm gonna host my car meet, and I'm gonna for sure put everything on my social media so you guys can see it, and then see if you guys can come. Well, hopefully I will show you guys how I do this. Yep. First, put the seat down. That's what I like to do. It's much underneath here, and then just lift this up. Mine came broken when I got it, so it's much easier. As you can see, it's over here. So just take those off and then put the new ones on. Close the soft top down because I was struggling. So basically, there you go. This really rusted one. The reason why it's getting rusted because my soft top is broken. So I'm gonna see who can do those, because I know for sure I can't replace this by myself. So yeah, I'm gonna replace this and probably this, but we'll see. And then this back one, even though it's not that bad, but I'm gonna still replace it. But yeah, just take these. There's like four screws, and that one should be 3. But yeah. Alright, so I already went ahead and took off the screws. I'm gonna show you guys what's behind here. Dang, and this is really dirty too. Yeah, this should be your fuel, and this is your tank, your fuel pump, and then I don't know what this is. Honestly, I'm just guessing, but yeah, these are the covers, so I'm gonna go ahead and put in the new one. Go ahead and take this back one off. This one's gonna be a struggle, but yeah. I already took off both, so I'm gonna just go ahead and blow it because I saw that it's pretty dirty. But yeah, I'm gonna blow it off, and then I'm gonna show you guys what's back here in case you guys don't know, because I don't know either. But yeah, I'm guessing that's your, holy cow, I'm tired, hold on. So I already went ahead and installed both of them. I had painted them black just because why not, you know. But yeah, got some little scratches on it already, but I already went ahead and installed it. I blew it out, and yeah, not much of a difference, but at least I don't got a rusted one. Now you just go ahead and put everything back, and yep, should be it. Make sure you fix it correctly, because I know the first time I did it, there was a little bump back there. So nice and flat both sides, and should be good to go. So yeah, there's that. And now I'm gonna go ahead and the sway bars once the links get here. So yeah. Oh yeah. I just ended up taking the links off of the old one. I know usually we don't do that. We end up using new links when we put in sway bars into our vehicles we work on, but I just ended up taking the old ones because the place that I ordered them, which was AutoZone, they were taking a little too long, and it was maybe gonna get here until tomorrow, and I was not gonna bring my car tomorrow, so I just ended up using the old ones. So right now, I sand this little part. I went ahead and used this on those so it could be easy lubed, and then I'm gonna do this one as well and just put into the new one. All right, so I went ahead and bought everything that I needed. Basically a 12, 14 wrench, got the sway bar, everything I need. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything's back together, looking pretty good. I know this makes no much of a difference, but I just had it chilling there in my closet, and it was taking too much space in my closet, so I just ended up installing it. But yeah, I had taken it off and then bought one of these. Well, basically the only one I bought. like 2 years ago thinking it was gonna do something, but really it doesn't make much. But yeah, it looks pretty good. I like it. I should have painted these black, but it's whatever. It looks good like this. Also, while trying to install this one, let me show you what happened. So I was using my impact and I was using the extension. Let me show you what I was using. Well, anyways, the size 14 millimeter. Literally, I don't know what happened. I tried to screw it on, and it just came flying out of this. Look, this. So it came out, and it's pretty hard to do it with my hands. So I don't know how it happened. And yeah, this one basically went flying straight to my forehead. That's basically the outcome. I'm probably gonna go to the hospital for that, because yeah, I'm probably gonna sue my car for doing that thing to me. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I don't know anymore. So this is the next day. So I don't know if you guys know, but my brother just started another channel. He has multiple actually, but this is the mixed all together. What do you do in this channel? Hunting, fishing, or just fishing?
Hunting and fishing.
Hunting and fishing. And then he bought a bow for all of that, so he's gonna start the project. So we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna post a link on my description, so you guys can go check it out, see if you guys like this kind of content. But yeah, it's pretty fun. I'm just doing a little sneak peek for you guys. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. It's pretty bad, but yeah. Into work. So today we're gonna install this bad boy, because mine had broken. I had taken it off because I don't know, it's just stopped working for some reason. But yeah, I'm installing this one because I need some music. I've been riding with just a little speaker. Man, I do not like it. But yeah, I'm about to install this. I'm about to take everything off and then install this. Hopefully it's an easy process, as I should. But yeah, so I took everything out. Now I just gotta plug everything in together, install it, and yeah, everything's plugged in. It was pretty easy, not gonna lie. Now let's see if it works and everything. So everything's back installed. It sounds really good, actually works. I don't know what happened with the other one, but I plugged everything in, and then I rewired everything. I made sure everything was pretty good. I can't play music because I don't know what copyright music is for YouTube or not. But yeah, it sounds pretty good. But yeah, I'll try to find some music that I could play. Yeah, but I love it. Shout out to Boss for sure. What are you squaring up for? What are you squaring up for?
Can you put this in your... Good boy.
Alright, so we are done with his class. He did a pretty good job, not gonna lie. She's just chilling now. But now we are going to a car meet after, what time is it? Basically started, but we're gonna go to the car meet right now. We're just gonna stop for some food, and then yep, I'll catch you guys there. Cool. All right, so we pulled up to the meet. This is basically a sponsor from Recio Culture. We pulled up, Tony's pulled up. I have a bunch over here, a bunch over there. But it's not big of me, it's basically private. But yeah, we pulled up, we're just chilling. I should have washed my car and look at this dude too, but it's fine. These are the cars for now. This is Victor, the one who's hosting it. And I don't know the rest. We got this BRC that's pretty clean. Got the Stang, one of our buddies, also the co-host of the meet. Multiple cars back here, but not as much. As I said, it was just a private. We didn't have a lot of people coming in, but it's something. But yeah, I got all the crew back here. But yeah, this is the meet for now, and then we're just gonna start making plans towards more meets together. Right, Tony?
Yes, sir.
All right, bet. Look at this right hand. Hell yeah. Probably imported for sure. Pretty clean, I don't lie. I have not seen one of these in a while. Oh, the last time I saw it was in Elite Tuners. Probably the same one. Pretty clean. Got a
Sometimes I find
1JC.
myself trying to line up on the left, you know what I mean?
Right.
Like drifting left. But other than that, it's not so bad.
That's crazy. This thing is so beautiful. He said he got it imported last month. He got it for 20K, but it's clean. Love it.
I don't know how I'm still so energetic.
We got all the cars out now. Just taking pictures, little flicks. These are the cars that basically came. We got the Tony's car, my car. Got the Mark II. We got the Civic and the Civic back there. The Stinger. We got what else? But yeah, this is basically like the one. Kind of want to do the idea he has, but I don't know yet. We got Victor's Civic. It's pretty clean. We got the, I forgot what this is called. The Stingray? Think so. The BRZ, the Stang, and the other Stang. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We might cruise around after this. But yeah, it was pretty much the private crew. Yeah. Pretty dope. Do a little rollout real quick. There goes Tony. Yo, so now the big news that I have. So as you can see, this is my shop. This is the sample that I got for my shop. So I'm gonna show you guys the Toros collection. And but yeah, this is the sticker, the sticker that I'm selling in my shop. And I'm gonna also show you guys the blanket. Those are the two items that I have live on my shop right now. So if you guys like it, you can go ahead and shop at toroscollection.com. So I'm gonna show you guys a sticker. I already put one in the Miata, and I'm gonna show you guys that one. And then I'm gonna show you guys a blanket, which I totally love both products as now. But yeah, open my shop on Shopify. They helped me so much throughout building the whole thing basically, so I'm pretty happy. I'm stoked on how I was able to build this really easy and super quick. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys and hope you guys like it. All right, so this is the stickers. You guys can see is the Toro collection with the logo in the middle with the TC. So it's basically for the car. It's made for that. It's waterproof, any weatherproof, to be honest. They won't be able to fall. So let me show you guys in my car so you guys can see how it looks. It's pretty dope. I kind of like it for myself, so I just went ahead and sticked it to the rest of the stickers. So here it is. This is this one right here along with my others. I should take this one off. I changed my tag to Toros collection, actually _ Toros collection. So this is it. Pretty small, fits it through any window really. So I kind of like it. It goes with it from far. You're able to see it. But yeah, it's pretty dope. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the blanket now, and then by Saturday, July 6th, which is the day of Elite Tuner, is the day that I'm dropping the two shirts, the Team Integra and then Team Miata. And it's gonna go live by that day, early Saturday. So I'm posting this video on July 3rd, which is Wednesday. It's gonna go live tonight. By July 4th, you guys are gonna watch this, whoever watches this. And yeah, so I'm going to Elite Tuners. I did not go last year, but I'm going this year. This year, whoever sees me, I got some free stickers that I'm gonna give out, which are a little bigger. They're the same as the ones I showed you in my car. They're a little bigger, much more brighter, I believe. That one's a little like for weather resistance basically, and the ones I'm giving out for free is for like to put in your room or like somewhere in your wall really. I never really tested those out on the weather, except those, which came out pretty good, because I think the ones that I'm giving out for free are quality. You know, when you wet like something paperish, it like peels off. I think it's like that kind, so I don't want to mess them up. I just want to give those for free so people could put them like inside their cars at least, or like somewhere, you know, somewhere safe where you can see them. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the blanket right now. I love it. It's soft, it's pretty big and really cozy, comfy and everything. I'm gonna show you guys. All right, so this is it. I don't know if you could barely see. It's pretty big. So that's it. Basically, you got the same as the sticker. I know I'm using the same, but that's basically the point. I'm trying to like share my product everywhere. But yeah, it is the Taurus collection with the logo in the middle and the TC. I love it. It's like really cozy. It's soft. It's good for like bed cover, like for you to cover yourself. I think I'm gonna use this for my car, but I don't know yet. But I love it. It's pretty dope. It's pretty big, and it's for a single person, really. It's not for two. But yeah, I love it. Hope you guys enjoy it, and then can't wait for you guys to see the shirts. They should be here by tomorrow or Friday. Hopefully by tomorrow, because I want to show you guys. And yeah, you guys will see it on Elite Tuners. Those are the shirts we're taking. But yeah, they're kind of similar like this, really, but in the back. I love how it looks in the back, and then in the front it's gonna have the little TC. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Catch you guys later. Peace. Happy 4th of July, guys. Make sure you guys are having fun. Make sure you guys are enjoying your time. God bless you all. Enjoy and spend time with your family. See you guys later and then the next time. Peace.